Hi guys, my name is Brett Yoder with Total Value RV in Elkhart, Indiana. Today I will be showing you the new 2019 311 Leprechaun. So here in the front, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the front one-piece fiberglass cap here. What that does is it will allow for easier cleanup with the bugs and such. Not only that, but it's going to be a lot easier to maintain. This is going to be on a Ford E450 chassis, 305 horsepower. As you can see here, you do get the side cameras, and on the rear of this coach you'll see the backup camera as well. So a couple features that we'll highlight with the Leprechaun is this right here. It's a true fiberglass step, so it's going to be easier to get in and out of the coach itself. You'll have a outside TV. So the nice thing about this outdoor TV, imagine yourself underneath the awning, sitting on lawn chairs. The TV is going to be eye level at you. You're not going to have to turn your neck, turn your head, or look above. It's easy access right here. Notice the awning as well. So this awning, this is going to be around 33-foot coach. Your awning is roughly around good 28 foot. So tons of coverage there, and also you got the LED light strip on the sidewall of the unit, so even when your awning is in or it's too windy for your awning to be out, you can still have that patio light. Also with the Leprechaun, you're not going to get the frameless windows, you're going to get the framed windows. So the nice thing about the framed windows is you actually get double cross ventilation. They open up sideways versus out, so you're going to get more breeze with that. 6-gallon hot water tank here. Real crucial with the Coachmen construction is they use the Asdale composite. So right here is your fiberglass. Now behind the fiberglass is a composite material, so it won't delam if you ever have a leak. Another thing is the health. There's no chemicals or harmful chemicals in the glue of the Asdale, so it's a huge advantage if someone has asthma or whatnot. When you walk into one of these things, you won't smell like you normally would smell the glue if it's in the heat or whatnot. Also, a big advantage to the Leprechaun is this ride right. It's an airbag system by Firestone, so you can manually hop into a gas station if you're having a rough ride, go to the air compressor and fill those up to your liking. So that's a real good improvement, especially if you go on the Indiana country roads. You get storage here, outdoor storage here, and then to the right is going to be your LP quick disconnect. So if you do have an outdoor grill, you can be underneath the awning cooking brats, hot dogs, what such with family and friends and have a good time there. Going around to the back, all the Leprechauns will have LED tail lights, headlights, clearance lights. What you don't see is the roof. The roof is actually a cathedral-like roof, so even when it's raining, you're still going to have water dripping down the left and right side of your coach. So that makes it real nice. You don't have to generally be crucial with your seal. Also the tail light, you got the integrated backup camera there. I know we did talk about that in the front. Look at all this storage, guys. You can put a nice table in there. Some people will put ice in here, put drinks in there, so that makes it real nice as well. This is a true 30-amp power coach. Now this floor plan will get more detailed inside, but it's unlike any other floor plan that you've seen. So you'll have all your city water connections here. It is lockable. Here's a little opening. You can actually put your hose through it, so you know it's 100% secure. Moving down to more storage here. And then this is your Awning your 4,000 watt generator. It will go off your 55-gallon Ford gas tank. And there is a safety device. Once you get under the quarter of a tank, it will automatically shut down. And then this is more baggage here. You can put your lawn chairs in there as well. Alright guys, right now I'm going to show you the inside. Now slide outs are in. This is going to be a good look for whenever you're driving down the road, you can actually see what's behind you. So come on in. So you got about a foot of walking space here. As you can see, you got easy access to your couch, easy access to your U-shaped dinette, easy access to your kitchen sink, your oven, your fridge, and also your bathroom here. Let me show you that. So around the bathroom corner here, you get the toilet, tons of storage space. You can put washcloths in there. This can be like your little vanity as well. But you got more storage here. Now, the awesome part about this floor plan is right here. Right now it has shelves in it, but this is a washer and dryer prep area. So it does come, we can equip it with a stackable washer and dryer. Is nice. And then you get another door leading into your bathroom. So even when you have friends or family with you, they have an access door, you have an access door, so everybody gets privacy, I should say. All right. So here we got the new 2019 colors. It's the lighter wood. Now, the one that we did do earlier, that's the darker wood. So this is a new 2019 colors. Now, if you can see, you got a little bit longer couch. I'm 6 foot. I can sleep here comfortable. It is a jackknife as well. And if you look underneath the couch, you can actually put blankets or storage underneath there as well. You got the U-shaped dinette right across from the couch. It's great because the whole family can gather here. There are going to be 4 seat belts right here, so your whole family or friends can go with you. Now going back to the coach, again you get the dual sink right here, pull out residential faucet, so it's going to be much easier to clean and wash your dishes. You got the pop out electrical outlet here, which has the USB connections here. Lots of drawers. Got a little pantry here. You do have the new Furrion oven, which looks pretty slick. And then you have the 3-burner stove, which has the glass top over it, so it acts like a backsplash. And then you do have the stainless steel convection microwave. So across from the microwave and the oven, you get this true residential electric fridge. It will run off inverter. So as you can see, let's open her up. You got plenty of space here, and then you got the freezer space as well. Perfect for the whole family. Going back to the coach, you do have more shelving here. You can put bread, peanut butter, whatever strikes your appetite, or a couple cases of pop or whatnot. Straight across from that, you do walk into a bathroom here. Now this, like I said, like I've been saying, this is a very different floor plan for Class C's. So you'll get a walk-in shower with glass shower curtain, and then you'll have the sink here. Plenty of space to use the bathroom. So right now I'm in the bedroom. You get a RV queen size bed here. It is on a slide out. You got cabinetry above here. You got the emergency escape window here. But this is the cool thing about this floor plan. Not only is it only 30 amp service, you get the washer and dryer, you get the electrical fridge, but you get a true walk-in closet with drawers, 2 sets of rods here, and you get your own little light switch here. So this thing has everything that you need to go camping or go traveling throughout North America. All right, here I am sitting in the cockpit of this Leprechaun 311. Let's go ahead and turn the key and see how many miles we have on this engine. 41 miles. You won't find that anywhere else in America, guys. Again, my name is Brett Yoder. I'm from Total Value RV in Elkhart, Indiana. You can reach me anytime on my cell at area code 574-849-4276, or you can email me at brett@totalvaluerv.com. Thank you.